So you guys might remember this RX-7. This thing, how long has it been under blankets?
Oh, fucking forever.
Look at that. Ew. Dude, it is so dirty. It's just been sitting under here. Nobody knows. So my buddy Brandon's had this car for what? Almost a year?
Over a year, yeah.
And he's driven it, what, 3 times? 2 times? 3 times?
4 times.
4 times. Same tank of gas that you put in it when you filled it up, yeah? It's just been sitting in his garage under blankets. So obviously it's dead. We just picked up a new battery and we're gonna throw the new battery in, actually take it out, go get it cleaned up. And then we're gonna go on a cruise up to the east side of Okinawa and go hit up EK Island. And he's got a DJI Mavic, and I'm actually gonna ride shotgun and try to fly the drone and get some shots of his car. So I guess we're gonna pop the hood, throw the battery in, figure it out. Hopefully the car runs. I don't know, man. I don't know if like letting an RX-7 sit forever is good. I know they're kind of weird engines. We'll get it fired up. It might smell like shit though. It's probably got some oil just sitting there. I think it'll be fine. Probably got some gremlins living up underneath here. Yeah, dude. We need to clean this up.
Is this right? Yeah, that's right.
So the battery in here isn't even the same battery we just got. Would you get a 75? 20
yeah.
D23L, same thing, 80D 23L, it'll fit. So we just got to get a 10 millimeter socket, pull this off. We got the new battery right here. We're gonna throw it in here and then get this thing fired up, and hopefully all is well. I mean, the car ran fine before it sat in the garage. It's been sitting here for about a year now, but hey, JCI, everything is good on it. Yeah, road tax is good. JCI is good till August of 2020. So you guys might remember the video on this car when I actually went with Brandon to go pick it up when he got it. And in that video, we actually swung by a gas station and put a tank of gas in there. And that is the only tank of gas he's put in this car since he got it.
Man, you sound like a piece of shit.
No. I mean, he has another car, so he's not obligated to drive it. And he just kind of bought it to keep it maintained and really just keep it in the garage, locked away under blankets, and then take it back to the States. So nothing wrong with it, man. You're keeping the kilometers off. I would have just been itching to drive it all the time, or at least like every now and then. You taking it to Cars and Coffee? Maybe? I know McCord's been hitting me up. He's probably gonna be like, yo, Weber, let me take your car. No. Hard no. All right, so we got the new battery in. This one is a 75D23L, a little bit different than the one that was in there, but we were told this should work. Oh, I hear it. And first start it. Hey. She smells like a rotary. Hell yeah. I'm not gonna lie, like, I don't know if you ever, some of those out there may not have smelled a rotary before. It smells like a freaking weed whacker. I love it though. I'm gonna take the Mavic Pro and try to go get some 6 shots. Hopefully this works out, man. I'm hoping. Yep. Plan is for me to ride shotgun. I'm gonna be flying the Mavic, and then he's gonna be driving the RX-7, and hopefully get some good cinematic footage. Can't make any promises. Hopefully I don't crash a drone in the ocean.
You'll be buying it.
All right, so we're inside the RX-7 now. Actually running through like a quick wash to get almost a year worth of dust off this car. Oh man, the same spot that I used to wash my GTR, my Evo at. We're gonna run it through real quick, and then we will we'll head out to EK and go get some drone shots. So we'll pick back up on our way out there. that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, thanks for watching. Before I close the video out, I want to apologize. I haven't even edited the video yet, but I already know that it's probably not gonna be stitched together pretty good. I really didn't even plan on making a video today. I was gonna go meet up with Brandin, fix his RX-7. I was like, you know what? I'll bring my camera just in case. I know people always want to see RX-7 content, but I also wanted to touch base with you guys and kind of talk to you about a channel update. I know I haven't posted a video in about 3 or 4 weeks. I've been just super busy with work and a bunch of other stuff going on, but I am going to Nagoya in a few days, so I'm gonna be linking up with Spencer, YourCarBro, and my buddy Dayton, Godzilla in a Tux. And the three of us, we're gonna go on a JDM scavenger hunt for like 4 days, and then I'm headed to Tokyo to go hike Mount Fuji. Definitely don't wanna miss that, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Go check out my other videos. Go see Brandon's car in the previous video when we picked it up last year. I'll post that link down below. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys thought. I'll catch you on the next video. Later.